Well, a few videos back, I made this. In case you missed it, I'll put it in the description below. But I also said in that video that I would make a companion piece or a sister piece. Let's do it on a white background instead with the same color palette as far as the blowout is concerned. So as you can see though, that it will be like a Stan and Ollie, Laurel and Hardy kind of thing. Like the tall, skinnier one and the shorter, wider one. Laurel and Hardy? Hardy to the Laurel? I don't know where I come up with this shit. I really don't. This actually comes to me naturally, if you can believe it. Anyway, as always, my name is Tiffany Remijn. Welcome to my channel, and I'll see you down on the canvas.
Yesterday I lost the battle, trying at all costs, oh, to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Do-do-do. Now I hurt so bad. All I feel is sad that I lost you, baby. Oh, I lost you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand and let me have this dance. Tomorrow is another day, so sit around and waste away without you, baby. Oh, without you, baby. My life used to be in blue, now it's mostly filled with gloom. I miss you, baby. Yeah, I miss you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand
here's the dried result. And do I love it? I love lots about it. Depending on how you hold it, as Donna would tell you, it looks like hair, or my husband said, it looks like a troll doll. And you can't unsee it once I've said that. So let's just do it this way. This, I find a much prettier composition when I do it this way. Do I love everything about it? It's questionable. So here's what I love. I love the contrast of the black. Let me get out of the glare. Of the black against the white. Like, I couldn't love this more. In fact, as I was tilting it and I saw this emerge, I thought, oh my God, is there too much paint? Please tell me that I can stop. And it's always a struggle, right? Like, I could have kept tilting and lost this in order to make this maybe something I liked more. But then I would have sacrificed that. So, and this is what I kind of did in the yellow flower abstract thing that I did that was similar in concept. I went in and tried to fix it after the fact, which turned out beautiful. I was very impressed with my brush stroke abilities in order to recomposition that to make it something that was pleasing to me. Do I love it and leave it, or F it and fix it? Yeah, that's what we're gonna call this today. What I want you to do for me. I'm gonna give you 3 opportunities to kind of tell me what you think. Down in the comments below, you can tell me if you would love it and leave it, or F it and fix it. Although if you're gonna tell me to F it and fix it, you better tell me how, because I've been staring at this for a while and I'm not sure yet how. And another option is my community tab here on my channel, and I will run a poll, which will be love it and leave it, or F it and fix it, and you can vote. So let's see how that turns out. Or you could also go to my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram handle is down below in the description box. And the nice thing about Instagram is you can actually DM me. Not only could you comment on the post, but you could actually DM me. And if you're gonna DM me, I want you to take a snapshot of the post on Instagram of the finished piece. And I want you to give me a rendering of, and I don't care how you do it. You can do it on your mobile phone and, you know, with the little pen option, and outline how you think you would fix this and describe to me how. And then depending on what you vote and depending on your ideas, I might just come back and do it. However, if the majority of people vote love it and leave it, I'm probably never gonna touch it. Well, never say never. I've changed my mind about things before. It wouldn't be the first time. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that when you know if I love it and leave it, or F it and fix it. And you're never gonna know unless you subscribe and turn on your notifications. Anyway, as always, thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.